Welcome to Room 1's assembly. We've made a big step up this year to the senior school. Dun dun dun. Nah, just kidding. We're loving being in Year 5 and being in the #1 class in the world. We would even go as far to say that being in Room 1 is a paradise. So sit back, relax and enjoy our journey from the middles to the marvellous.
Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy, the wheel breaks the butterfly. Every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, she flies. A dream of paradise, paradise, paradise. Oh, she dream of paradise, paradise, paradise. So lying underneath those stormy skies, she said, oh, I know this summer set to rise. That tonight's gonna be a good night. 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 So that's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spend it up. Still cold on and special. Like oh my God. Jump off that sofa. Let's get off it. I know that we'll have a ball. Get down and go out and just use it all. Still stressed out, I wanna let it go. Let's go way out of space. Out and losing our control. Everybody's in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Just wanna see you shake that. VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop, yo? I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Line up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance, rush the speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly. When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it. You better gain weight. You better hit the bullseye. The kid don't play. And if there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hoop while my DJ performs it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby.
Yo, can't touch this. Why you standing there? Can't touch this. Yo, Santa, bitch.